Hi everyone. Today we are taking a quick look at the new Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Pro. Let's jump straight into the unboxing. Inside the box we get the Smart Band itself, a charging cable and the user manual. Also the strap comes separately, so you need to attach it to the band, but it's very quick and easy to do. Now let's take a closer look at the band. Right away, the design looks really sleek and modern. The display is large and bright, which is great for everyday use. It actually feels more like a smartwatch than a typical fitness band. The build quality also feels solid and it's very lightweight, so it should be comfortable to wear all day. The strap looks minimal and clean, which I personally like. It should fit well with both casual and sport styles. Overall, first impressions are really positive. It looks like a solid upgrade, especially if you care about design and screen quality. That's it for this quick unboxing. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.